So now, guys, it's time to answer this prompt with a RACE response. So it asks you to analyze how Thurber's use of contrast characterizes Walter Mitty in the reader's mind. So we need to support our answer with evidence from the text. I've started it for you, but I've blanked out certain things that I want you to be able to find on your own. But I want to show you how I answered this question. And if you want to copy anything you see up here, you can, but I would prefer you to do this on your own. This is just supposed to provide an example for you. So, first I start by using words from the question in my response. Thurber uses contrast to characterize Walter Mitty in the reader's mind, by, and then I answered. So this is my R, and this black part is my A, but I want you to answer this on your own. Now, before I cite my text evidence, I provide background information. So that way the old lady will know what's going on when I cite my text evidence. So here's what I said. In the story, Thurber characterizes the real-life Walter as a pushover who's constantly being criticized by his wife and laughed at by the people around him. However, in Walter's fantasies, Thurber characterizes Walter as someone who is brave and commands respect to the people who are around him. For example, when the story begins, Walter's fantasizing about being a Navy commander who is flying him and his men through a hurricane. When talking about Walter, his men say, and then I cite text evidence showing what his men say about him. Now I'm going back to my own words. However, Walter's fantasy is interrupted by reality when his wife criticizes him for driving too fast on the road. She says, and then once again I cite text evidence. So now I've done R, A, and C. Now I have to just explain my text evidence. This contrast between fantasy and reality shows what? So that's how you answer this question. Let me know if you have any questions during class.